In the world of AI, as with the forging of ancient rings, power once lay in the hands of those who shaped it, crafting features from expert knowledge, guiding models with wisdom. But these old ways were left behind in favor of deep learning, drawn by the glittering promise of data, like vast hoards of gold, thought to hold the key to knowledge. Yet in the realm of medical imaging, this data-driven path is fraught with peril. Biases, noise, and fool's gold that can mislead even the best models. Relying solely on data might be a risky path. But how do we reclaim expert guidance, weaving wisdom back into the process, so AI models may shine with brilliance and endure through time? Here this story begins.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Quick, come! He found the pool of raw data. He is losing his mind.
Philly! Philly! Philly!
Data is all I need! You need to come to senses. The dashboard shows some tendency to overfitting.
I know what overfitting looks like. We deploy now.
You should reconsider this. Recall it's a black box.
And so what?
Are you sure about this deploying?
Never being more sure in my life.
And so, the model completely failed out there, as it used useless features on the field data.
I told you not to deploy!
We will try again. We just need to fine-tune. Train with more epochs! Change the learning rate and add dropout and more ensembling.
I have seen this before. Believing blindly that the model can handle raw data, it is just a recipe for failure.
There is a solution. Next October 6th, a method to promote alignment between human and model will be presented at the iMIMIC workshop in Marrakesh.
We need that urgently.
It is ready. Expert knowledge ready to be injected into the model.
What's its benefit?
Expert-based model guidance increases our chances that the model learns the right features. Also, this improves model interpretability on model performance, and of course, it increases model trustworthiness. Look, I found the way. With this, the model will align with human knowledge and hopefully show increased performance, but more importantly for clinical applications, increased robustness.
Nice, let's give this a try.
I refuse to overfit again!
No. We are ready this time.